Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I've been making more Halloween crafts for my Halloween series I am hosting, and I'm just here to share these tassels I made. They're yarn tassels. I'm just pulling off all the string glue string, I don't know. But these are what I've made so far. And you can use them for tags, for packaging, all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to show you how I made them. I've had some of these bows here from the Stamps of Life, and I just took a bunch of little plastic pieces I had and just glued them to the bows, and I'm going to use these to put for the centers for the tassels. So let me move this aside. And so how I've been making the tassel, I just get, let me make sure this is not going to knot up on me. Okay, I just get the yarn, which I have red, orange, yellow, and white, and it's like candy corn colors. That's why I'm gonna make a bigger one like this size, so I use my phone for that. And I just wrapped it around one, and I don't do it tight, just 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I believe just 7 times is what I did. And then I cut the bottom off, and then I get a white yarn about 5 inches, stick it in there underneath all of the yarn that I wrapped around my phone, and I want to tie a knot at the top to secure all of it. So I double tie, and then with my scissors, I'm really not scratching the heck out of my phone, but you just trim this edges here. Okay, so there we are. There's our tassel. Our beginnings of a tassel. And then I get another piece to hold it here. So I have a scrap piece of this black and white that I want to use. So you just want to squeeze it as tight as you can to, my stuff is bunching all up here. I don't want that to happen. Okay, so then I just do a double knot again here. 1, 2, I trim off the excess like that, and then that's what I end up with so far. Then I take a piece of ribbon to cover this, but actually I might just want to keep it. It doesn't need to be covered. You can see here I covered it, but here I did not, so it doesn't matter. Just this knot part you want to cover because it's there and you don't want it there. So I'm gonna do this boo one and stick it right there. So let me get some glue and press down for a couple of seconds. And then you're going to want to trim this bottom up too once. Okay, so that seems to be secure there. And then let me trim up the bottom, and then we have our tassel. And there's our tassel that we have. Yeah, so just a quick little easy, fast little project. I'm gonna finish making 2 more. I'll play some music. You can watch it through. Okay, so those are the 2 that I just finished. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate you. Please consider liking and subscribing and sharing this video with a crafty friend. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.